portable ultrasonic washing machines can not only wash a few clothes, fruits, vegetables and tea sets. Make cleaning a lot easier than ever. Never go without clean clothes again, with this supersonic mini washing turbine that can go with you anywhere. Transform anything around you like a washing machine. Get your laundry or kitchen essentials cleaned at the spur of the moment. It can be adjusted according to needs. Features automatic shutdown after working for 30 minutes to save energy. After the washing machine runs for 30 minutes, it will automatically shut down and restart the USB plug after 1 minute. This product is plug-in USB, with AC adapter, which can be connected to a charger with USB such as a power bank or onboard power supply device. Not limited by socket location. Convenient for you to use a portable washer machine in a small space at home or in your car. It's lightweight and portable, can be placed in pockets or tote bags to carry anywhere you need it. The ultrasonic high frequency for high sterilization rate, removes dirt effectively. Works not only for shirts and undergarments but also for jewelry, glasses and other small items.